Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our morning briefing. It is Tuesday, May 14, 6:14 a.m. So let's get cracking. On the longer time frame, May now continues developing as an outside bar as the 2800 area is explored. This area is of particular importance and it is interesting because it coincides with the recent monthly trend line. So it is on the radar of the technical community that can create some volatility. The weekly trend lower continues after last week's low was swiftly taken at the open, confirming the intermediate term auction down. On the daily detail, we see further details of the current auction lower with 2789.5, which is over here, the likely destination of this auction. Given the weak structure, judging by the amount of matching lows, here yesterday we came within 2 ticks of March 28th, and these two are matching too. So judging by that weak structure, the alignment of the time frames, now the monthly is going outside, the weekly is going down, and the daily is going down, and volume has been backing up this move, I think the odds are good for further downside. Moving into the market profile, we see how the early morning continuation developed after a sharp rejection of a Friday spike and value. And it had enough strength to neutralize any attempts to get back into the range on C period and then KL period. It couldn't go back up. As mentioned before, not only the low matches almost to the tick the March 28 low, but also we have a very poor low with no excess, suggesting that the auction is incomplete to the downside. So the immediate focus for the morning is on value developing relative to Mondays, and with overlapping or lower value adding to the odds of further downside. If we get acceptance and value above the afternoon high, which is at 28.25, that would denote change and suggest the market could be finding some balance. Overnight, we've seen some move upwards and we have a very prominent POC. So I wouldn't be surprised if in the morning, this whole area is the focus of trading of the market. But again, remember, anything can happen as odds are just odds. Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information offered by Grasping the Market is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute or replace investment advice. Grasping the Market accepts no liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from the use or reliance on such information.